I believe that Russians are still operating within imperial discourse, which means they regard people as, I'm not generalizing over all Russians, but those who are involved and as implicated subjects or perpetrators in the current war in Ukraine, they regard people and themselves as resources. So when they, in social media, when they discuss people being sent to Ukraine, they do not question the very idea of them being sent there. They accept the fact as a given, which means the value of human life still remains very low. And the fact that the war continues and goes on for almost 9 months now, the full-scale invasion, of course, it means it's not Putin's war. Neither the Holodomor was Stalin's war, and Stalin pursuing collectivization, even if Putin might perceive it as his personal war. After all, when it comes to the launch of the offensive, collectivization, or be it a full-scale invasion, it takes the executive decision of one person at the very top. But let's make no mistake, it is not Putin's war. Neither it was Stalin's invention. It is about subduing, what Olga mentioned, subduing Ukraine, controlling Ukraine. And Putin and Stalin, they do operate within this discourse of the empire, and it needs to control its colonies, even if the colonies don't perceive themselves as colonies anymore.